my cherry cola. She gon' keep me sober. Let me keep it closer. Bubbly like a soda. Sweeter than the champagne. Smoother than the...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another review video for you guys. This is going to be a little bit different than usual because this has like a long backstory. I think I ordered this back in like the summer. I'm gonna have to put like dates up of everything because it's been so long that I can't even remember what happened. But basically this package was super duper delayed. Not anything that the slime shop could control, let me make that clear, but nonetheless it was delayed. So let me tell you a little about this. So I ordered this package, like I'm saying, I think it was in the summer, and I waited about a month and a half and nothing arrived, and I was like, okay, hey, do you know where my package is? And she's like, oh, it probably got lost, so I can offer you a refund. So I go, okay, I'll take the refund. 2 months after that, they show up at my door. And I wouldn't have known that they were stopped by customs if it hadn't been for this package here. So this says échantillon pour analyse, which basically means subject for analysis or specimen for analysis. And the borax packet is in here. I know that what happened is that the Canada border saw the borax in like the x-ray when they x-ray the package and went, oh, is that drugs? So they took the package, they held it while they tested the borax, and obviously they found out that it wasn't drugs and it was just borax, and then they sent it on its way back to my house. And that's where it was this whole time. Now obviously it has been a while. I have already reactivated these. I haven't really, like, I didn't pay attention to like the scents or the textures or anything because I want this to be like, you know, real first opening. So I really just, you know, activated them with a spoon and put them back in their containers. So that was the story. Let's get into the slimes. Let's start with this one. And there's no names on these, which I would like because, I mean, it's been so long I don't remember what I ordered. But I think this one's called like black cherry fruit tape or something. The color is really pretty. I don't know how she achieves this dark, beautiful red without it staining your hands, because it doesn't. And it smells like black cherry, which is always lovely. It's one of my favorite fragrances. And it is like a slay slime. It's a butter slime, but it has more slime than clay. Next over here, I'm not sure what this is. Let's see if we can tell by smelling it. Oh, I really have no idea. So, it is really thick though. It might be like cinnamon roll batter or something, judging by the look. But it doesn't really smell like much to me, just kind of sweet. So this is sort of the same texture as the last one, but with more clay in it this time. So this is like a true butter slime. Here's the next one. Again, I don't really know what it is, judging by the scent. It could be like eggnog, because it is a little bit, like, it smells a little bit spicy. Okay, well, she thick. Here's the next one. Again, this one really doesn't smell like much. Maybe when I take it out, it'll smell like more. So this is a very clicky slime. It smells slightly like maybe cake or bread, like banana bread, maybe? Yeah, I can't really tell. So that's definitely a negative where, I mean, I know it's been a long time, but if someone doesn't remember the slimes that they bought, there's no way of knowing what the name is or what it's supposed to be, because there's no like indication on the container. This one looks gorgeous. I know this one, maybe it was like raspberry something, I don't quite remember. But look how pretty. Oh, I think it's like strawberry. Oh my god, yeah, this smells so good. I think it's strawberry Laffy Taffy, because it smells just like it. This is like a very, very stretchy butter sleigh slime. Like it's way stretchier than the others, as you can see. I love the vibrant color. And last we have this one. I think it was like red velvet cake batter, or okay. As I was saying, I think it's like red velvet cake batter or something. Ooh. So yeah, it definitely smells like red velvet cake batter. So again, this is like a butter slime. I feel like a lot of these have like pretty much the same texture, like plus or minus more clay. There was like 1 or 2 thicky slimes, but then the rest were just like butter slimes or clay slimes. I don't know if that's just because I ordered only clay slimes. I didn't really check if the shop had a variety of textures. But yes, anyways, that was my review. I guess my biggest like complaint, if you could call it that, would be like there's no labeling, so I really just don't know what I'm dealing with here. And the scents like didn't really help either because the scents are a little bit vague. That could be just me though, because I feel like I'm really bad at deciphering scents. I feel like someone who is bad at deciphering scents like me would benefit from a label to remember what they ordered. The textures are very nice. Like I said, I don't know if it's just because I bought the same kinds of slimes. I'll have to like go and see if she's got like a variety of textures. I'm pretty sure this one was my favorite because the smell was so delicious and the color is so nice and vibrant. But yeah, thank you Charisma. Thank you guys for watching. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!